This is the new LED road flare product from Buyers Products Company. Comes with the charging case, which allows you to charge all 6 in one case. You have the option to open or close while charging. And you also get the 12-volt vehicle accessory charger as well as your 120-volt wall charger. The charging indicator down here in the bottom right lets you know when each individual road flare is charged or not charged. Once it is a solid color, they then are charged 100%. Charging begins once the case is plugged into the wall and your key indicator is placed in there correctly so the charging contacts touch the back of each individual road flare. Once charged, you can operate the road flare by simply pressing the power button located right here. There are 16 high-vis orange LEDs per each road flare and 9 total flash patterns. You're able to cycle through the 9 total flash patterns by simply pressing the power button. There's also a flashlight feature on the road flare that is just one of the flash patterns. To turn off, you simply hold the power button until the LED flashes 3 times directly underneath that power button.